Hey guys, you're watching Aurora's vlog. Today I will be showing you how I clean my kitchen. Of course, normally we just, wipe it down with soap and water and any kind of detergent. I like to use mine with Fantastic. They are very good for tough grease and grime, and it's very good for cleaning. I've already cleaned my kitchen with this. So I also like to show you how to kind of like final cleaning, which is the steaming. And I think this also would help getting rid of bacteria in your kitchen. So I want to show you how this shark steam work. I have this kind. I already put some water, so I need some clean towel to dry it. So let's start with this side. I'm gonna turn this on. It's warming it up. So one is going, you can go ahead and steam your counter. There we go. You can wipe it dry with clean towel. Now go this side. Okay, I also would like to steam this, the faucets, the holder. Also, let's move this camera to the sink. Now I'm gonna go and steam my sink. Okay, let's steam the microwave. Especially microwave because we touch the microwave every time, especially the handle. Now, our stove. So what we need to do, I'll get rid of this first. Steam this. Okay. All right, I think I burned myself a little. Now let's put this back. Okay guys, thank you for watching. So that was it. All you need to do, if you have some Fantastic to clean your countertop, that's all you need: a clean towel and a steam. shark stem. It works so good, but when you use this, you need to be very careful because the tip is very hot. So anyhow, thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.